In front of me is OPPO K13 Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Autocorrection is automatically correcting whatever you are typing on the go. If you want to switch it on or off, you need to do that by tapping on Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then tap on System and Update. Now I will show you how to access text correction options where autocorrection is located. Just follow all of those steps. Hit Keyboard and Input Method. Then Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Finally, after tapping on Text Correction section, scroll down to use this switcher next to Autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can switch it off or on. If you decided to use autocorrection, I would advise to also try this feature called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace to make using autocorrection even better. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!